Okay, here's one of my older recipes. It's just a pepper jerky. It's old, but it's one of my favorites. Again, it's for 8 pounds of your favorite meat, but you use 4 teaspoons chili powder, 4 teaspoons coriander, 4 teaspoons garlic powder, more or less. Again, it depends on how much garlic you like. I like a lot, so I'd probably put 5 or 6. 8 tablespoons regular table salt, 2 teaspoons curing salt, 2 teaspoons cayenne pepper, or 3 or 4, depends on how hot you want it, 6 cups of water, and then 8 tablespoons of black pepper. And on this, you just put the black pepper in reserve, because after you marinate this and you pull it out of the marinade, you want to put down some wax paper and sprinkle this coarse ground black pepper on the wax paper, and then just roll the pieces in there before you put it in your smoker.